So first of all, you need to have this screen by clicking on the URL. Either you can put personal informations or the company informations like what I have put over here. So this is the billing informations. After filling up this, you need to click on the PayPal, because 2checkout.com stopped taking Visa cards on their gateway. So this is a PayPal page, and now you need to pay through your debit card or credit card. And here is a page where you need to put all the your card informations, and you need to hit click continue. So this is how you can make the payment using your Visa card. Thank you very much.